Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by waking the Onida Smart TV and your Bluetooth device. Make sure both are nearby. First, open the TV settings and navigate to Bluetooth or external devices. This is where pairing occurs. Once in the menu, set the TV to discoverable or pairing mode so it broadcasts. Make sure your phone or speaker is also in pairing mode. Don't skip confirming distance. Keep devices within about 3 meters. Now, move to the TV list to see available devices and prepare to select the correct one. Once the TV displays available devices, you scan the list and locate the precise Bluetooth name of your phone or speaker. Selecting the wrong entry wastes time. After you choose it, accept any PIN prompt on either device. This secures the link. If the TV asks for authorization, confirm immediately because some devices time out quickly. Then wait for the connected status. You'll often see an icon or receive a short confirmation tone. Make sure your audio app is open so you can test output right away. You finish by testing audio from the paired device, adjusting TV volume, and choosing the Bluetooth output if needed. If sound fails, make sure the TV isn't muted and the audio app is sending output. Sometimes you must switch audio output to Bluetooth in sound settings. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and repeat the sequence. This clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, remove existing pairings or perform a Bluetooth reset on the TV. That often resolves stale profiles and restores normal connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.